Cosmic Giants, Unveiling Black Holes as Nature's Supercolliders. Chapter 1. Journey into the Heart of Black Holes. Imagine you're standing on the edge of an enormous cosmic arena where the most powerful forces in the universe come into play. This is the realm of black holes, those mysterious giants of space that have fascinated scientists and storytellers alike. But what if I told you that black holes are more than just celestial vacuum cleaners? They are, in fact, nature's very own supercolliders. Let's delve into this fascinating theory. At the heart of a black hole lies a singularity, a point where gravity is so intense that nothing, not even light, can escape its grasp. Around this singularity is the event horizon, the point of no return. The real magic happens here, where materials swirl at unimaginable speeds and conditions mimic those found only in the most advanced particle accelerators on Earth. The theory of black holes as natural supercolliders suggests that when particles are accelerated and collide near the event horizon, they achieve energies far greater than we can currently produce in any man-made collider. This makes black holes perfect laboratories for studying high-energy particle physics, offering a glimpse into the fundamental forces that shape our universe. Chapter 2. Real-life Insights. Black Holes in the Cosmos. To understand this better, let's look at some real-life examples. Consider the supermassive black hole at the center of our galaxy, the Milky Way, known as Sagittarius A. This colossal black hole has a mass millions of times that of our Sun. Imagine the tremendous forces at play here, as stars and cosmic debris orbit the black hole at breakneck speeds. These conditions are ripe for particle collisions at energies that could help us understand phenomena like dark matter and quantum gravity. Another fascinating case is the collision of black holes themselves, detected as gravitational waves by observatories like LIGO and Virgo. These waves are ripples in spacetime caused by some of the most energetic events in the universe. By studying these ripples, scientists can learn about the behavior of matter and energy under extreme conditions. These cosmic events, much like the experiments in particle accelerators, allow us to test our theories about the universe. They open a window into the past, offering clues about the Big Bang and the evolution of cosmic structures. By observing the natural supercolliders in the sky, we gain insights that propel our understanding of physics in directions we never imagined. Chapter 3. Navigating the Challenges. Bringing Cosmic Lessons to Earth. Now, you might wonder how these distant cosmic phenomena relate to your everyday life. Well, the technologies and theories developed to study black holes often have unexpected applications here on Earth. For instance, the algorithms created to process data from gravitational wave detectors have been adapted for use in fields like medical imaging and earthquake prediction. Understanding black holes also challenges us to think differently, fostering innovation and creativity. The study of these cosmic supercolliders pushes the boundaries of technology and computation, inspiring advances in areas as diverse as artificial intelligence and sustainable energy solutions. However, studying black holes isn't without its challenges. These enigmatic cosmic giants are difficult to observe and understand, requiring international collaboration and cutting-edge technology. But each step forward brings us closer to understanding the universe and our place within it. As you ponder the mysteries of black holes, remember that the quest for knowledge is a journey, not a destination. by exploring the cosmos, we learn more about the fundamental nature of reality and the interconnectedness of all things. In the end, black holes as natural supercolliders remind us of the boundless curiosity that drives humanity to reach for the stars. If you're enjoying this journey through the cosmos with me, don't forget to subscribe and join our crew of space explorers. There's so much more to discover. Let's explore the universe together.